Welcome back, everyone, to an exhilarating journey into the world of success. Have you ever wondered what it truly takes to attain the life of your dreams? What separates the thriving billionaires from the rest of the pack? What are the skills that set them apart on their path to fortune? Today, we're unveiling not just a few, but a full 15 essential skills you must master if you're set on achieving greatness. Discipline, emotional intelligence, self-motivation, and maintaining focus are just a handful of the vital aptitudes we'll be dissecting today. We won't merely present a laundry list of these skills, we'll delve into each one, providing a comprehensive guide on how to nurture and cultivate them. But first, a little housekeeping. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram. Trust us, you won't want to miss the illuminating journey we're about to embark on together. Now, grab a pen and some paper because we're going to embark on a journey of self-assessment. We want you to score yourself on a scale from 1 to 5, with 1 being in dire need of improvement and 5 representing an absolute mastery of each skill. By the end of this video, you'll not only recognize your areas of growth, but also your strengths. Let's commence with the first skill on our list, discipline. Success, my friends, is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Your ability to consistently and unwaveringly pursue your goals despite adversity, distractions, and even unfavorable weather conditions is the secret source of achievement. Discipline means prioritizing the actions that inch you closer to your long-term objectives over momentary indulgences. Now, for those of you who might be struggling with discipline, don't worry, we have an easy but effective challenge for you. Try waking up at the same hour every day and meticulously making your bed for a consecutive 21 days. Basic? Not quite. This exercise isn't just about making your bed, it's about honing your time management skills, instilling a sense of order in your life, and setting the stage for other positive changes. Skill number 2, emotional intelligence. Forget IQ. The real power lies in emotional intelligence. It's the art of comprehending people, their emotions, motivations, and their inner workings. Intelligence is valuable, but it's your ability to navigate the complexities of human interaction that can set you on the path to prosperity. To elevate your emotional intelligence, begin with a twofold approach. First, embark on a journey of self-discovery. Analyze your own emotional landscape by documenting your feelings, exploring why you felt that way, and understanding the triggers. Second, in your interactions with others, make a conscious effort to actively listen and empathize. Be fully present, and you'll find that this skill becomes a formidable asset on your road to riches. Skill number 3, self-motivation. Picture this: in your pursuit of success, you are your own greatest cheerleader and motivator. That's what self-motivation is all about. It's the unwavering inner drive that propels you forward even when the world doubts you. To fuel your self-motivation, begin a journey of self-exploration. Envision your perfect life, free of any boundaries. What does your ideal day look like, down to the smallest detail? Use this vivid mental picture as the fuel to power your actions. With the right motivation, nothing can stand in your way. Skill number 4, maintaining focus. In a world designed to distract, maintaining focus is a superpower. Take a moment to analyze your daily actions. How many of them truly contribute to your long-term goals, and how many are mere time-wasting diversions? We urge you to try this self-audit at least once a week. This will reveal whether your focus is on an upward trajectory. Remember, success favors those who prioritize activities that serve their overarching goals over basic day-to-day pleasures. Skill number 5, reading. Successful individuals are voracious readers. On average, they devour about 50 books per year, a stark contrast to the mere 1.5 books the average person reads. Reading isn't just about expanding your knowledge, it's about training your brain in a unique way, enabling you to make connections and correlations that transcend the realm of video or audio consumption. But we understand that not all books are created equal. That's why we're providing lists of must-read books that we believe will not only enlighten but also impact your life significantly. You'll find these in our video titled 15 business books everyone should read. Skill number 6, playing the long game. Shift your perspective from immediate gratification to long-term gains. As we mentioned before, success isn't a sprint, it's a marathon that demands patience and strategic thinking. Break down your ultimate goals into actionable steps and focus on moving closer to them each day. Remember, there's no elevator to success, you have to climb the stairs. By systematically deconstructing your objectives, you can navigate the long journey with clarity and purpose. Skill number 7, continuous learning. The pursuit of knowledge should be ceaseless. Absorb wisdom from every facet of life. It's not about knowing everything, it's about understanding the broader context of everything. The more dots you can connect, the more informed and nuanced your decisions become. Take a moment to reflect. When was the last time you learned something truly transformative? Embrace the spirit of perpetual learning and watch as it leads you to wiser choices and a more enriching existence. Skill number 8, the art of selling. Let's demystify selling for a moment. It's not about manipulation, it's about rationalized persuasion. Throughout your life, you'll find yourself in situations where you need to convince others, whether it's gaining a friend's trust or persuading a potential customer to see the value in your product or service. To become a maestro of selling, we recommend delving into the insights shared in books like Sell or Be Sold by Grant Cardone and Start with Why by Simon Sinek. These texts will arm you with the knowledge to navigate the world of persuasion with authenticity and purpose. Skill number 9, learning the art of delegation. Time is an invaluable resource that we all possess, and mastering the art of delegation is essential for optimizing its use. To effectively manage your time, it's crucial to identify the tasks in your daily routine that are repetitive and time-consuming. Once pinpointed, these are the tasks you should consider outsourcing to others who can handle them competently. By doing so, you free up your valuable time, allowing you to focus on creative thinking, innovation, and business expansion. Delegation not only empowers you, but also enables your team to grow and contribute to the organization's success. Skill 10, willingness to make sacrifices. Living a life that surpasses others' dreams often requires sacrifices that not everyone is willing to make. It's essential to recognize that achieving your dream life comes at a cost. To determine what sacrifices you're willing to make, you must assess your priorities and long-term goals. Consider what you're willing to give up now in exchange for a brighter future. Keep in mind that while the dream itself is free, the hustle to realize it demands your dedication, energy, and the investment of your time. Embracing sacrifices with the right perspective can ultimately lead to unparalleled success. Skill number 11, masterful marketing. Marketing is an intricate art form that revolves around effectively communicating the value of your product or service as a solution to a problem. It's more than just selling. It's about connecting with your target audience and showcasing how your offering can improve their lives. Mastering marketing involves crafting compelling messages, understanding consumer behavior, and creating a strong brand presence. Adept marketing not only drives sales, but also builds lasting relationships with your customers, fostering loyalty and trust in your brand. Skill number 12, the ability to motivate and inspire others. While individual achievements are commendable, they reach new heights when you have a team that shares your vision and is inspired by your unwavering dedication. Your team, whether comprised of employees, collaborators, or supporters, is your most potent asset. Cultivating the ability to motivate and inspire others involves effective leadership, clear communication, and a passion for your goals. When you can inspire those around you to work towards a common objective, you unlock a collective potential that can achieve remarkable outcomes and drive success beyond what you can achieve alone. Skill number 13, money management. Earning money is one aspect of financial success, but effectively managing it is an entirely different challenge. Your financial resources should be treated as a disciplined army sent into the marketplace with the expectation of returning with more than they started. Money management involves budgeting, investing, saving, and making informed financial decisions. When managed wisely, money becomes a tool that not only safeguards your wealth but also multiplies it over time, providing a stable foundation for your personal and business endeavors. Skill number 14, adapting swiftly to change. In a world characterized by constant change and evolution, adaptability is the key to survival and success. Being able to swiftly learn, recalibrate, and leverage change can make all the difference in your journey. Rather than fearing change, embrace it as an opportunity for growth and improvement. Cultivate a mindset that views change as a catalyst for innovation and transformation, and you'll be better equipped to navigate the ever-shifting landscape of life and business. Skill number 15, building quality relationships. Your network is a reflection of your net worth, and cultivating quality relationships is paramount to your personal and professional growth. Surrounding yourself with the right individuals, such as mentors, friends, and allies, can significantly impact your journey towards success. These connections provide valuable insights, support, and opportunities that can propel you closer to your goals. Nurturing relationships requires authenticity, empathy, and reciprocity, as it's a two-way street where both parties benefit from the mutual exchange of knowledge, resources, and experiences. Building a strong network is an investment that pays dividends in both the short and long term. An additional nugget of wisdom: always be ruthlessly honest with yourself. Overestimating your strengths won't serve you well on your path to success. Acknowledging your areas of improvement is the first step towards personal growth and mastery. If you've made it this far in the video, congratulations. Tell us in the comments what motivates you or even what holds you back. Keep forging ahead, keep learning, and always remember that your dream life is attainable, provided you're willing to put in the effort. Stay inspired, stay curious, and we'll see you at the pinnacle of success.